We don't have a lot of violence here actually. And the tourists love Holland Bamboo.
Yes, because it's
So, yeah,
beautiful.
yes. I am always here. I have jelly.
Come and chat with Tania.
Hello guys, welcome back to Chat Jamaican. Holland Bamboo Grove is located in Lacovia, St. Elizabeth, and we all know St. Elizabeth as the breadbasket of Jamaica. The avenue is approximately 4 kilometers long and portrays a beautifully arched and shaded arrangement of bamboos on both sides of the roadway. Holland Bamboo, and it is popularly known as Bamboo Avenue, is a heritage site and one of Jamaica's tourist attractions, which is said to be the most photographed place in the island. It was planted by the owners of Holland Estate and dates back to the mid 1700s. The purpose of the grove was to provide shade for plantation slaves and owners of the estate en route to the town of Lacovia, which alternated with Black River as the capital of St. Elizabeth during the 18th century. The grove was part of the sugar estate that was owned by John Gladstone, 1764 to 1851, merchant, politician, and father of William Gladstone, 1809 to 1898, a British Prime Minister. Today, the avenue is protected under the Public Gardens Regulation Act and managed by the Public Gardens Division of the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries.
Okay, so I'm here with Maki. And what is the name of your community here?
We are here in the Holland Bamboo. Very cool and nice. And tourist attraction.
So, what is the experience here over the years?
Over the years, well, we don't have a lot of violence here actually. And the tourists love Holland Bamboo.
Yes, because it's
So, yeah,
beautiful.
yes, we have actually we have 2.5 mile lead. It was 3 mile, I heard. But over the years we lose bamboo, so it would be down to 2.5 miles now.
So, how they do with the planting?
Well,
Is the government that do the replanting?
I believe so, but I think Scotia Bank partner with them
Oh,
because I heard
okay.
one at the time, and you have workman working here clean up the bamboo.
Mm-hmm.
When too much trash, they rake it up.
Yes.
Yeah, and actually they start to replant now. If you can look on this side, well, you would have to go around and you can see where the bamboo round, that
Yes.
is the replant.
Oh.
Some that they replant, they don't bamboo round it as yet. I heard people stop here so they come from overseas just to see the Holland Bamboo. Nothing else, just to see the Holland Bamboo because this gentleman was telling me that he was in America and his friend come over his house actually every day just to see the picture of the bamboo.
Yes.
And he said, alright, why don't you come to Jamaica and get a picture and put up in your house where you can look at, and you come to Jamaica just for the picture. So
Lovely.
pretty much it's always cool, no matter how the time is hot. And that is the replanting.
So this is one of the replanting.
This is one of the replanting.
Oh.
But the kind of fencing now that animals don't destroy
Mm-hmm.
when it can come up.
Okay, let me walk to the fence ones. So this is another one right here. Another one, replanting of the bamboo. Okay guys, so we're in the famous Bamboo Avenue, and this is where they do their replanting. So they've as you can see, they're tough, but what they do, they fence these because they don't want any animals to eat down the new plants that they have planted. So this is how they maintain the Bamboo Avenue, by replanting at all times. Okay guys, so I stopped at Maya, and this is where I got my coconut. So Maya, what you want to tell them?
Guys, whenever you're passing through Holland Bamboo, you can shop at Maya. So I am always here. I have jelly, nice big jelly, lots of peanuts, so you can stop and buy.
Alright, so big up Maya. Let me look at her coconuts. Here she have lovely coconuts, and also she has lovely peanuts. So ensure that when you're stopping, you stop at Maya's to get your nice jelly, right? So this is the area. Okay guys, famous Bamboo Avenue. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more.